Hi students, today I will teach you geography lesson 2 latitude and longitudes. First of all, we will see what is globe. A globe is a small three-dimensional model of the earth. It is mounted on an axis so that it can be rotated freely just like the earth. It shows us the exact shape of the earth, spherical, slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. You see this picture, this is the axis. On this axis the earth moves, the globes is also rotates with the basis of this axis. The imaginary line on which our earth rotates is called axis. It passes through the center of the earth and its two ends are known as poles. See here, two ends, that is upper portion is called the north pole and the below one is the end is south pole. Now the pole towards the north is called the north pole, south pole. And now see the equator. The earth is divided into two halves, that is with an imaginary line. This imaginary line is called the equator. And there are parallels of latitudes also. The upper portion of the equator is called the parallel of latitude, and this is also called the lower portion is also called the parallel of latitude. So this upper portion is called this is the latitude, and this is also called the latitude. This is the one north latitude, this is the south one. The latitude you see here, parallels of latitude. Now the north pole to the south poles are called the meridians of the longitude. They run in the north south direction. And here latitude, the latitudes of a place is the angular distance of the place north or south of the equator, measured from the center of the earth. It is measured in degrees. The distance between the 2 degrees of latitude, that is 111 kilometer. Each degree is divided into 60 minutes and each minute is further divided into 60 seconds. Now see, the angular distance of the poles from the equator is 90 degree. So the north pole is marked as 90 degree and the south pole is also marked as the south latitude 90 degree, and that is called north latitude. And this way, next come see here, north equator, this is the equator, and the north pole, this is now 90 degree, and north latitude, and this is the south latitude, this is also south pole. In the south pole 90 degree. Now come the importance of the parallels of latitude. Here you have seen these lines you have seen above the equator, that is 23.5 degree north. This is called Tropic of Cancer, and this is 23.5 degree south. This is called Tropic of Capricorn. And here you have seen the 66.5 degree north. This is called Arctic Circle, and South Pole 66.5 degree south. This is called Antarctic Circle. Now come the heat zone. There are 3 heat zones: torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone. Torrid zone receive the sun rays throughout the year. That's why it is the hottest zone. And the temperate zone is neither too hot nor so too cold, because the sun rays are slanting towards this zone. And the frigid zone, there are 2 frigid zones are there: north frigid zone and south frigid zone. North one, this zone is totally cold. These 2 zones receive extremely slanting rays of the sun. Thus these zones are very cold. Thank you. Next day, the longitude.